Hello, students. Good morning. How are you? I feel good. What day is today? Please write in your English notebook what day it is. After, check the weather. What's the weather like? Please write the weather in your notebook. And finally, how do you feel? Are you excited? Are you tired? Please write how you feel in your notebook. Today, we are learning something new. Yes, we are learning about wild animals. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. What's your favorite animal? Please write in your notebook what your favorite animal is. Okay, after the video, you will watch a slide about wild animals. It talks about lions and monkeys and crocodiles. Oh my! I hope you enjoy it. And after, please complete the worksheet. Please take a photo of the worksheet and send it to me so I can look at your responses. Ask your mom or dad for help. Okay, I will see you soon in our lessons. Bye for now.